Hi guys, today's video I will guide you in detail how to send mass messages on Instagram with just a few basic steps. This is the main interface of MKT Insta software. The software will help you manage multiple Instagram accounts at the same time. First, you will add the content that you want to send promotional messages. Next, select the messaging function. Before that, you will have yourself a list of username data. The software will also support you can scan the people who are following this, or who the account is following. After scanning, you will copy your username into the section that you save in. Next, you will select the content that you just added and you will set up the configuration to send messages as this number, the time dilation support for you to limit the account you are judged as spam in the end. You will choose the Instagram account and click Start. Then this will be a powerful tool for you if you are launching a business. Build advertising channels on Instagram platform. If you are interested in software, please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp below the description. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next video.